girl, it is Saturday, so it was a slow morning start, which I enjoyed with the boys, and pretty much ate breakfast. I made a coffee. I showed you guys a little bit of what I was making. We had some pancake sausage and some fruit, just something quick and simple, easy. And now I am nursing the little one and trying to think of like what else we are going to get into today. Trying to wait for it to cool off a little bit. It is hot outside, and just things are just falling into place now. Each day, of course, is different with two little ones, but at the end of the day, it's all exciting stuff. And I was looking at some of my beauty videos. I'm trying to figure out how to incorporate the beauty videos. So let me know down below what beauty videos you guys would be interested in. I know some of you love my beauty content, but I want to know what you guys would like. I just wanted to come on and say, hey, it's Saturday, start this vlog, get this day going, and we'll see what the rest of the weekend holds. We made it out the chat. The fact that my kids keep playing with me, it's not funny. It's just really not. I'm trying to vlog for you guys, and both of them just simultaneously, ha, 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 ha. Anyway, girls, it's been a few days later, and we're going to make my pumpkin coffee. I figured out the trick to this. So this is not as sweet, so what I'm going to do is add pumpkin spice. Or I think it's pumpkin pie. Add pumpkin pie spice to this, and some honey. This is the creamer. And then we're going to add some oat milk. So pretty. I put a little bit of the foam on top. Added this pumpkin spice on top to give it that barista feel. Immediately. Something about the honey made it go like extra. Like, I don't know why I wasn't thinking about putting honey in this. This is a reward. But I wanted to show y'all that my hair came in. So we got a package from Amazon. And I got some hair. Because I want to do a crochet until I figure out when I can make an appointment. And just mainly just figuring out a day that I want to do that. I'm trying to wait till it... I know most people like to get haircuts and stuff when it's hot outside, but girl, I don't like to be outside. So I'm waiting till that first crisp day show up. Then I'm going to make my appointment for that because I want that joint to be fresh for the fall because the fall looks is coming back. You feel me? So I got this, what do you call this hair? Yankee twist crochet hair. And this is what the packs look like. So you get this much in one bundle. Am I nervous? Absolutely. Because I should have just went to the beauty supply store to get my favorite hair. Y'all know the hair that I typically wear here on my channel, my crochet hair that I usually wear. Not every store carries it anymore, so only a certain amount of stores have it, and it's on the other side of town. Like I didn't feel like doing that. So I said, let me just see what Amazon got, and the curl is what I was attracted to. But the fact that these are actual twists is insanity. Y'all, we are about to do a little quick makeup. Just a little bit of makeup. Okay, today we are taking the boys to the state fair. And so I'm like, you know what? This is a time to put a little bit of 1-2 on, do something, put my little stuff together, you know. So that's what I'm doing. I just showered, brushed my teeth, did all the things, and we are about to do a little makeup. And I just wanted to chat with y'all. I just wanted to talk to y'all too. Girl, is it just me, or when you get out of bed now at this age, you gotta stretch? Jesus. Or is it postpartum? I don't even know. I be feeling like I gotta get up in the mornings, and as soon as my feet touch the ground as I'm praying, I'm stretching. I'm stretching. That's crazy to me. That is crazy to me. So right now I'm just doing my brows. Hopefully I don't go too ham on this, because I'll be like, oh, I'm just gonna do a little quick makeup look, and the next thing you know, it done turned into something else. These last few days, I didn't pick up the camera. I just been really being hard on myself. I don't want to say I was in like a rut, but I guess you can call it that. But we don't stay down too long over here, you know, because the God that we serve, that's not what He called us to do. You know, He's given us this spirit of power and of love and of a sound mind, and not of fear, not of disaster, not of being overwhelmed, none of that. All right, so that's pretty much it for the brow. I need to really wash my brushes, wash my sponges, all of that. Like, it's been so long that I've washed that. I'm actually embarrassed about this, but yeah, it's been a while. And I feel like I'm a foreigner going in my makeup bag that I have all my brushes in and my sponges and just some bronzers and stuff like that. Like, what? Girl, you need to reorganize this. It's been so long that I wore makeup. And if you see my last video, I did do a quick 10-minute makeup look over there. I'm saying over there like this is not like I got multiple channels. I did do a 10-minute makeup look on my last like sit down video. And I feel like I'm gonna be coming back soon with some makeup stuff. I really do miss doing my makeup. So we shall see. We shall see. But this right here is a sunscreen type of foundation. This is the Born This Way Healthy Glow Moisturizing Skin Tint. Y'all heard me talk about this so many times. One of my favorite skin tints. And since I'm gonna be outside, it has SPF in it, so it's a double whammy. And I enjoy that it has the skin benefits that I need, while also just not being too much, you know, on the skin, so you will. So this weekend took a definitely turn on me, because we were supposed to be going to the fair next weekend, I think, but we decided to push it to this weekend. But I still need to do my hair. So I don't even know how I'm about to do this, how I'm about to do my hair, but it's gonna get done. I showed you guys some hair I got from Amazon, because I'm about tired of this for a little bit. This is like my go-to for like in between, and for whatever reason this time around, my hair is just not doing what it need to do in this style. So that's a real reason why I want to kind of take this out, because I know that it would be, I would have this in longer if it was cooperating right. It's just not cooperating. Like, I don't understand it. So we're gonna go in with the Fenty. I know right now is the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, and I was contemplating on doing a recommendation, but girl, I'm late. I'm late, like, to even tell you. A couple of days have gone by already by the time y'all see this video. So y'all know my faves though. I can share them if you want. Y'all know my faves. Very simple, very light, just some concealer. And well, that's the hydrating concealer. I am gonna go on top of it with another concealer, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna use a Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage. I was on Sephora's site a few days ago, and it looks like they changed the packaging of this. Let me know. It looks like they changed the packaging. And I'm like, dang, it's been that long since I've been. I'm telling you, when you have a baby, you feel like you are not a part of this world. You just don't, you don't feel like you're a part of the world, okay? Things just be going. I didn't even know they changed the packaging on that thing. I wonder if the formula is the same. Let me know if you tried the new packaging that Sephora has for their Sephora collection Best Skin Ever Concealer. Let me know. Is it the same formula or they just changed the packaging? Because I want it to be bright, I'm just gonna go on with my Airspun powder. This powder is a holy grail, okay? A holy grail. It really does brighten under the eye while setting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. We made it to the state fair. So we about to check it out and see what's going on, y'all. So much happened from me doing my makeup to now, but we're here. Y'all, we back home. The fair was so much fun. It was so much fun. You know, this is my first time doing a outside activity like to that extreme with a toddler, let alone a toddler and a newborn. And it was so much fun. We watched the pig race. Y'all saw that in the clips. I put all the clips, the things that we did, the things that I saw. Definitely left there with the funnel cake. That's like the go-to when you go to any type of amusement park for me. And that was Chef's Kiss. My husband and I had a steak and cheese. I didn't even get a chance to get clips on that because at the time that we ate, girl, it was hot. The sun just came out of nowhere. It was a nice little breeze. The sun came out of nowhere, and that's when my toddler was eating the fries. Well, that's when the baby was just getting fussy, and we had multiple fans because, listen, one thing if you don't know, we don't like to be hot around here. So had multiple fans, did all the things. Everybody's hydrated. I had so much like snacks and stuff, like everything. It just seems like I was a first time mom going to an amusement park, basically. And I'm proud of that because I'd rather be prepared than to not be prepared for stuff or have the stuff that I need. But yeah, we're home. Both babies are washed and taking a quick nap. And we're going to enjoy the rest of the day. I'm about to shower myself. I'm going to go ahead and close out the vlog here. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.